Hello and welcome, everyone, to the Enlightened Life series. Here we are today, taking a nice, calm walk before we head off to sleep. The nature of this is simple. When we are about to sleep, our subconscious mind is closest to our reality. Our subconscious mind can best be programmed right before we go off to sleep. Usually, the last 5 minutes of the day can be the most important time of the entire day. So, today we are going to program your subconscious mind to be more positive, to be more loving, to be better tomorrow. So listen to the sound of my voice as you lay back and get ready to sleep. Close your eyes and let the events of the day wash past you. So many people spend the last 5 minutes thinking about all the things that went wrong, everything that didn't work out, and this programs their mind to be more negative the following day. But not for us. So let the events of the day wash past you. Don't get too attached to any thought. Just let them go by like calm waves in the distance. Let them just pass you as your mind grows past whatever has happened this day. Now, just relax as best you can. With each passing second, let your mind go deeper and deeper. Feel yourself relax. Feel your body grow limp. Feel yourself just really relax back against your sheets. Just let yourself go. Let yourself relax. Now, let's get ready to program your mind here. Either say these affirmations with me, or just listen. Either way, they can seep into your subconscious mind and program it to be more positive. Feel that tranquil feeling of relaxation as you go deeper and relax even more. I am happy. I am free. I love my life no matter what happens. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. I am grateful for all the good in my life. No matter what happens, I am stoic and peaceful. I am happy. I am free. I am relaxed in all circumstances. I am confident. I am happy. I am grateful. I love my life and everything in it. I love living. I love everything about my life. I am so happy right now. The world is a wonderful place. The longer I live, the happier I get. I grow better and better with each day. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. I am so relaxed. I am so peaceful. I am the greatest. I love my life and everything in it. I love reality. I love the universe. I love to relax. I love what I do. I always live on my purpose. I always act on my purpose. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. I am grateful. I am happy. I love my life. Now let those affirmations sink in as you just lay back and take them in, or repeat them as the case may be. The more you do this, the more you relax before you sleep and repeat affirmations just like these, the better your subconscious mind will grow while you sleep. And when you wake in the morning, you will feel full of energy and full of inspirations that will lead you on to greater and greater things that day. Thank you, good night, and enjoy.